Hey, what's going on guys, Pog here, and in this video I'll be unboxing the all new Apple Watch Ultra 3. Compared to the other Apple Watch models, the Ultra gets its own packaging which looks super cool. As you guys can see in this very nice gray box, we've got the Apple Watch etched right there, which is super nice. You can also feel it. Nothing on the sides, as you guys can see. Looking here at the back, you can see this in fact is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm black titanium with the ocean band, designed by Apple in California, product of China. The model number is A3281. Here's kind of what it looks like. So let's get this opened. Wow, look at that right here. Wow. This is definitely a whole different packaging than I'm used to opening up an Apple Watch. Here's kind of what it looks like. We've got this booklet looking thing. It says Apple Watch in the mountains with this lake over here. Here's the back of it. Opening this up shows us how to use the watch, which is super cool. Like, look at that. Wow. The attention to detail for the Apple Watch Ultra is super nice. And this has like a booklet right over here, which is the regulatory compliance document. Let's go ahead and put this back in here. Here's the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Let's go ahead and put this aside. And here we have the ocean band right over here. So you can see this is the 49mm, one size right there. There's a pull tab over here, black ocean band, black titanium buckle, and adjustable loop. Let's get this open. Once this is opened, we still have that very cool looking and feeling premium packaging. Shows us how to put on the ocean band. Sliding this out, we have a booklet right over here for instructions and safety information. And here is the ocean band. Looks like we have a loop over here. Feels super nice. And in here, we have the top part of the ocean band, which says 49mm right there. And this one is the bottom piece, which again feels super nice. It does say like 0S on it, or O/S, not sure what that's for, but here's kind of what it looks like. Technically nothing else here in this box, so let's put this away. Take a look at the Apple Watch Ultra 3 box. We do have the Apple Watch Ultra sticking out of the box like this, which is super cool. You can actually even feel it. So if I try to show you right here, this part of the Apple Watch Ultra is sticking out. So you can kind of feel all of this right here. It is super cool. On the right side, we've got Ultra 3 right there, black titanium case. Nothing else on these sides. Here we have a pull tab on the right side as well as the left side. Apple Watch Ultra 3 49mm black titanium, black ocean band, designed by Apple in California, product of China. Let's get this opened. Lift this out. Here's what that looks like right over here. There's a little notch for the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And this is probably for the charging cable, or nope, the designed by Apple in California part, which has like these compass stuff on it, which is super cool. I mean, I've never seen this. Like, the attention to detail for the Apple Watch Ultra is amazing and so exciting. There's some coordinates here. Kind of wonder where that takes you. 2025 Apple Ink. Opening this up, we've got the braided USB-C charging cable. Normally you get a plastic one. Yeah, it's super nice. And then there's the USB-C you can lift out. putting this over here. Then we have the Apple Watch Ultra right over here, which looks super, super nice. Wonder how to take this without ripping it. Like if it's even possible. Oh, wow. Comes right off. Look at that. Here we have the Apple Watch Ultra. The screen on the right side, we've got the digital crown, the power button. If I hold, we do have a charging box, which is nice. Looks like microphones, the band spot, a speaker. We've got the action button, it looks like. Here at the back, it does say Apple Watch Ultra, 49mm titanium and cellular case, sapphire crystal, GPS, cellular, water resistance up to 100 meters, dive 40 meters, and you also have screws right over here. The button to eject the band clicks into place. Then we have the bottom piece. That's what it looks like. And then we also have this loop that probably will go in like this. Here comes the instructions. So looks like this actually opens up just like that. So it's kind of like spring loaded. Pretty cool. Let's put this there. Kind of looks like a hook now. And the way this would work, because it's not supposed to be here, is that we would put this on my wrist, which I gotta be honest with you guys, it's not as easy as putting the regular sport band. It's something super easy about that pin design. We need to figure out where is a good spot to stop this. So for example, we can choose this loop in here because it looks like it goes inside that. So let's assume right over here. So we will guide this through here, just like that. And then this is supposed to just click into place like that. Okay, so we just chose this, and then it would simply go in here. And if you need to change it or adjust it, then you can do that. This is not super tight. This is kind of how I would like to have it. But let's say you go swimming or something and you want it tighter, or you're probably working out, then you could put it one more higher and then lower this. But other than that, this is what the Ocean Band in black with the titanium black looks like. And this was the quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.